Today I'll teach you guys how to fix your WhatsApp videos and photo not sending problem. So if you're trying to send photos and video from WhatsApp and it just does not lets you, then the first thing you need to do is check your internet. Because sometimes due to slow internet, your photos do not get uploaded in WhatsApp and it causes this problem. So if your Wi-Fi is not the problem, the next thing you can do is check if WhatsApp is up to date. For that, just go inside your app store, and from inside App Store, just search for WhatsApp. Once you search for WhatsApp, check if there's an update or not. So my WhatsApp says open, that means it's already up to date. But if in your case, if it shows you update instead of open, click on update to update your WhatsApp. Once your WhatsApp is updated, it should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then you need to do this. If you're uploading hundreds or 200 photos on WhatsApp all at once, or like if you're trying to send a very long video of like 1 or 2 hours or like 30 minutes, it's going to take a long time the video to be uploaded on WhatsApp, because once your video is uploaded on WhatsApp, then only you can send it. So if it is a long video and like a lot of photos, it's going to take a bit of time. So when you're uploading photos and videos which is large, do not close WhatsApp like this. Until and unless the photos and videos are completely uploaded, you have to make sure your WhatsApp is on, or make sure it's running on background. If you just close WhatsApp like this, it's not going to work. So until and unless the videos are not fully uploaded, do not close WhatsApp. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just delete WhatsApp and reinstall it again. That's the last option you have to do. And basically your problem should be fixed at that point. But if it's still not fixed, then it's probably that you're uploading too large files on WhatsApp, and that's why it's causing the problem. In that case, just chop up the videos. Like if you're trying to upload 100 photos, try to upload 10 photos, and it should work. And if you're trying to upload a 1 hour video, cut it into a 10-minute video and send 6 different clip of that, and then it should work. But that's how we guys can fix WhatsApp video and photo not sending problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel 1 step. I'll see you guys next time.